Good morning. It's the 5th of July. Say hi. Hi. What are you doing for me?
I'm pop printing.
Cleaning up all the pop prints. Who makes the pop prints? Who is it? Cats. So he wanted to come home because it's a strike day today, isn't it? Your schools are shut. Mika's at school, but their school is shut. So we went to Lidl and we got some rolls and cookies, didn't we?
Now a snack.
You can have a snack. And then Foxy said, when we get home, can I clean the pop prints for you? So that's what he's doing. You want cheeselets?
Yeah, and rainbow.
Do you want to get the rainbow drops then?
I'm going to get rainbow drops.
Yeah.
It's called frame 5. Who won them first? Look at the button and it takes sprinkles in the button.
Yeah. Put them away, Ari.
Put them away, silly Billy.
Why is Ari a silly Billy? There we go.
That's all small.
They're the same. You going to go watch TV?
Sleep on the floor.
You sit sofa? How Norfolk did that boy just say? Sofa or the floor? Up to you, mate. Wherever you want to sit. They're going to go and play, have their snacks in here, and I am going to go upstairs and sort the girls' bedrooms out. Come on, in you go. Started packing, like, took all the little bits off there, took breakable bits off here. I've left Margaret up because I feel like if I pack her, she might kick off. So she's not being packed just yet. Yeah, I'm gonna knock you over. I'm gonna go upstairs because the girls' drawers for their clothes are just ridiculous. They've got so many clothes and they're not all in any order whatsoever. So I'm gonna go upstairs and try and have a sort out of those. Got me Lidl iced coffee. These are my favourite. They're like macchiato ones. They're just absolutely delicious. And they're only 65p. Whereas my favourite coffee from Starbucks is the brown sugar oat shaken oat shaken espresso. And like, they're like a £5 and they're delicious. I love them, but they're like a once in a month treat. But I love these. I can have like 10 of these, the price of one of them. So 8 of these, but yeah, they're really nice. So I'm gonna go upstairs. You're gonna come with me and we're gonna go and have a little look about sorting some kids' clothes out. Woohoo. Well, this is Aria's bedroom. It looks worse than it is because she hasn't made her bed, and because she's not at school today, she had to decide what to wear. So she's basically took out all of her clothes. So I'm going to sort this into sections. And then like her wardrobe's not too bad. If I shut that, that'll probably make it look a bit better. But I don't know what all this is. This is clean washing. Oh, and her bed never looks nice because she's got so many bloody teddies on it. But this is what we're starting with. So wish me luck.
One eternity later.
It's all done. Made her bed. Sorted out her shelves so that they're not just... I mean, there's still loads of stuff on them, but she doesn't want me to put it in boxes yet. So I put all of her turtles here. All of her crystals are in here and in the little tub. Had a little wipe down of everything. All the drawers are now organised. T-shirts, pyjamas, shorts, leggings, school stuff. Cleaned out her desk. I'd forgotten that it does that. So she can actually have a proper desk. I don't know if she'd forgotten that as well. I'm going to get her to come up and have a look. Little legs. Up you come. Can see your bedroom. You like it? Put all your turtles on the shelf.
Yeah.
Cleaned out all your cupboard. You've got loads of cool activity books in there.
Yeah.
And I forgot your desk did this. I forgot. Cleaned your window.
Did you put the thing in the pot?
No, it's all dead. But we can just pick another one off and do it. We've got to find a pot first.
Yeah.
Happy then?
Yeah.
Good. Let him have some then. Fox thinks he likes fizzy water. You like it?
do.
Is it fizzy?
So like this little. Me.
He wants some more.
More.
Don't spill it on your tablet.
Here you go, Mama.
I'm okay, thanks, mate. You can have some more. Ari, move your head. It's warmer than Aria anticipated, and she's got a jumper on, but she forgot to put a t-shirt on underneath, so now she's boiling. And she can't take it off.
Can't wait.
Mika would be buggered, wouldn't she? Because she doesn't like fizzy stuff. You can take your seatbelt off, mate, because we're parked. Good boy. I need to weigh you when we get home to see if you're ready for a big boy chair. Morning, it's Thursday, the 6th of July. Mika's down there. Mum normally comes on a Thursday, and I've just rang her, and she thinks she might have broken her ankle. She slipped off a stool in her kitchen last night, and she can't walk now, so her friend is taking her to A&E at Harper State. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. Foxy is in his room. He's meant to be getting socks. Aria's going to junior school today. Fox is going to reception today, and Mika's going to year 4 today. So it's a very exciting day. He's been looking for socks for a while. Let's see what he's doing. Sarge, got some sockies? Oh, he's nearly done. Ari's bedroom. All nice. Mika's bedroom, I'm not sure if it's still all nice. That's okay. Had a bit of a clear out in here, packed away a few bits. I'm nearly run out. I think I've only got like 3 or 4 boxes left though. Mum has got millions of boxes from when her kitchen flooded. So she was going to bring some today, but obviously she can't now.
Our kitchen flooded. It was Boxing Day.
No, it got fixed on just before Christmas. Flooded last year and ruined the whole kitchen, so she had to have a whole new kitchen. I think I've showed you, you've seen it in the vlog. So today I'm just gonna pack some more boxes, go through some cupboards, maybe go through some stuff in the kitchen, pack up some non-essentials. Fox, what are you doing? What have you got? What have you got?
Say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, 3,
3, 2, 1,
go.
go. You got your rolling mat. You gonna bring that down? All right, on your butt, please.
Maybe I'm gonna roll it down.
No, thank you, because Mummy will trip on it. Just hold it and bring it down. On your butt, come on. Yeah, nursery. He keeps having accidents at nursery. He's completely dry at home. But he has accidents at nursery. I think he's too busy. And they forgot to give me back all of his wet clothes the other day. So I've got a little bundle to take. You excited for year 4? Wow. It's 9 o'clock, just before 9 o'clock. I'm home well early today. All the kids are in their new classes. I had to take Mika around to her new year 4 class, but they all went in together. You don't have to wait for a specific class. Then took Ari around to her new class. She was panicking because she thought that I had to take her to a infant school and then they were going to walk them up. I was like, no, I promise I'm right. And we got there and her best mate was there, so she was fine. And then I had a panic that I hadn't ordered her a school dinner because they get like the free school meals, and I panicked. And I was like, oh my God. So I went to the infant school to take Fox to nursery and then popped in the office. And I was like, did I order one? And Joe, the receptionist, was like, you literally emailed me back within like a minute of me asking. And I was just like, I don't remember. I've got brain farts. So now home. Got kitties, look. Kitties are all sleeping. Oh, sleep. Oh, your brother and sister having a cuddle. Hi. And then Gary. Oh, boy. And I think big boy's up here. Nana. Nana. He does love to sleep up there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Look at him. So, yeah, I am kid free. And I think I'm going to do some packing. So I'm going to have a look in the utility room. There's like a whirly cupboard and I don't use half the stuff in there. So I'm going to start packing that into a box. And then, yeah, I'll show you as I do it. Who went to big school today?
Aria and Mika.
And who went to reception?
Me.
Was it so fun? Yeah? What did you do? Can't remember? Did we just have a little tiny nap on the sofa?
No, I didn't.
You did? You fell asleep on Mummy's butt?
No, I wasn't. I was watching the telly.
You was sleeping because I heard you snoring.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't.
Snory boy. Snory boy. We gotta go get your sisters.
No. Not now.
In a minute. I know I look like shit. I don't care. What time is it? 7:20. Kids are all asleep. Just gonna put you on there. I can't remember if I've updated you or not. My mum has broken her tibia and her fibula in there. So yeah, she went to the local A&E and they did like a temporary cast and then they sent it to the proper A&E and they tried to like manipulate it and reset it. And then they've done another cast on it. She's got a prescription for codeine because she's in quite a lot of pain. She is going to have the cast on for between 6 and 12 weeks, depending on how it heals. And she may have to have surgery. She might have to have a pin put in it. So she's going to be not driving for most of the summer, which is shit. So me and the kids are going to have to try and make time to go over there. It's just while the kids are at school, it's impossible during the week because she lives over an hour away. And by the time I get the kids from school and then get there, it'll be time to come home. So I'm going to try and do it where if I take the kids to Ben's on a Saturday, I'll take them a few hours early to my mum's because I have to go past Ben's to get to my mum's. And then once the summer holidays start, we'll just go and see her once a week. But yeah, she's currently on a sofa. So tomorrow is Friday. Jane was going to come here so I could go to see my mum, but instead I'm going to drive because Aria and Fox are at home because of the strikes. I'm going to drive, drop Mika to school and then drive to Jane's house, leave Aria and Fox there and then go to my mum. So I'm going to try and make her house more accessible. I think it's, I don't know, more accessible I think is the word, I don't know. But yeah, I'm knackered. I'm just going to watch a bit of TV and then go to bed because I feel like this weekend is going to be full on. We've got Mika's school is open tomorrow, so she's in school. Then Aria and Fox mum to Jane's, then me to my mum's, then come home, pick up Aria and Fox, come back, and then Saturday morning drop Aria at a birthday party, pick Mika up from her friend's house, have Mika and Fox until 2, pick Aria up from the birthday party, drive them to Ben's house, and then I think I'm going to go and stay with a friend overnight, or they might be coming to me, I'm not sure yet. And then Sunday Mika's got a birthday party that Ben is taking her to and then picking her up from and then bringing her back to me afterwards. Yeah, 2 more weeks of school and then roll on the summer and then Foxy will be in school. Here she is, the invalid.
Thanks.
Do you just fall?
What?
Do you just fall onto the sofa?
No, I positioned myself carefully, like so.
She's on.
Oh.
First time in hospital.
No, I went when I had you and Josh.
Yeah, but that doesn't count.
Doesn't it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's Saturday. Only did a little bit of filming at my mum's yesterday because she didn't want me to film too much. I did try and film her going up and down the stairs on a bum and she wouldn't let me. Today, I've got to go and pick Mika up from a sleepover. Drop Aria off at the birthday party. They're like right next to each other. Then I've got to go and get new tyres for my car because 2 of them are bald. Come on then. Hello, Angel. Come on. You coming up? Don't shove her in your butt. What is wrong with this cat? Binksy! And then, yeah, tyres for the car, then do a food shop, then pick Ari up from the party, and then drive them all to Ben's for the weekend. And I'm not sure what I'm doing tonight. Possibly just this. Just walking around with a cat on my shoulder. It's meant to be really, really hot today. I think it's meant to be like 29 degrees. So when I go to the garage to do my tyres, they've got like another shop opposite. I'm gonna go and talk to them and see how much it is for my aircon, because it's fucking hideous in my car at the moment. I've got a black car with a black interior and no aircon. So like driving back from my mum's yesterday with Ari and Fox in the car, had all the windows down, like we're doing 70 on the dual carriageway, and it's just, the noise is just horrible and you're just sweaty and disgusting. So I'm gonna go and see how much that is gonna cost. You are ridiculous, cat, isn't he? Anyone else's cat's like this? He's the only one that does it. Don't you? Oh, he's just dribbled in my mouth. Right, I'm gonna go and talk to you in a bit.